Let's go now to Southern California and check in with Mario Ramirez. You're with Fox 11 Los Angeles. Mario, when we talk about vulnerable populations, I think you and I spoke, and you were on the campus of UCLA a couple of days ago. Now we're on the other end of things, and we're focusing very much on the elderly, those who have health concerns already, and the risk they may be at because of the coronavirus. What's LA doing?
Well, we are just outside of a nursing home here in West Los Angeles, Garcia, and starting today in teams, the LA County Public Health Department has experts going out to more than 300 nursing facilities and long-term health care facilities. What they're doing is making sure proper protocols are in place for these facilities to deal with the spread of coronavirus or really any infectious disease. And what we've noticed, we've spent the morning going to different nursing facilities. We were in the Valley at one in Mission Hills in that area, and we've started to notice some serious changes, like one of the main things is restricting access to visitors. They are not allowing, even if you're a family member, to visit a loved one at those nursing homes because they say that you shouldn't be there unless you have to be, and that is one of the main rules that they are now implementing. They're also putting in more hand sanitizing stations, and we also noticed air filtration machines to help sanitize the air, disinfect the air for the elderly. And like you said, we were on college campuses last week, a different generation, and now we are dealing with the elderly, the highest risk environment when it comes to these infectious diseases. So we're talking about more than 300 facilities here in the area that the LA County Public Health Department is going to, surveying these sites, and they'll be making recommendations to these facilities if they don't have the proper preventative measures in place. So we talked to a few executive directors of these facilities, and they say they're not worried, they're not scared, but they are trying to provide as much information to people who come through their doors. Another serious thing they're doing is checking temperatures and vitals for everyone who walks in. That includes doctors, staff, delivery personnel. The door, they checked my temperature, 98.4. They gave me the all clear, but they're definitely taking this seriously at nursing homes here across Southern California. 20 cases in LA County, 157 across the state, and again, we know the highest risk community is the elderly, and we heard from that doctor earlier in this show. Over the age of 50 is what most of the age groups that we're seeing this really impact.
Okay, Mario Ramirez live for us in Los Angeles there, where things are changing as well. Thank you for joining me.